Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set highlight areas on the Happy Color application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and you can find the lower bar. If you want to set the highlight areas, go to the lower right corner of the home screen, the settings icon. And in the first section, the gameplay, you can find the second option, the highlight areas, and here you can find the white, the gray, or the transparent icon. Actually, I use the third option, but if you want to select, for example, the white, just click that and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.